Hi, physical science kids. Mr. Tima here. Want to take you through this worksheet, the atoms family. Dun 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 dun. That's an old show. Maybe some of you don't get that reference, but that's okay. Here's a little help on how to do this. First of all, we need to understand some stuff here. We need to understand some stuff like what does all this stuff mean? And we're going to zoom in here at the top, make sure we get that figured out. First of all, what is this top number? Well, this top number is the atomic number. Okay? This is really just called the atomic symbol. And this is really the element or atomic name. We like to just call it the element name. Hope I can't spell. Good golly, I gotta erase that. I can't leave that like that. And then this is the atomic mass. The atomic mass. Alright, if we go over here, remember the atomic number is always equal to the number of protons, or in a stable atom, electrons. The atomic mass, and if you think about it, there's only three things. You have protons, neutrons, and electrons. We don't really worry about the electrons' mass, so when we talk about atomic mass, we're only worried about protons and neutrons. Okay? Now we start out the worksheet like this. We're just going to work on zinc here because we already have it zoomed in and everything like that, and I've already given you some clues. Alright, some of the elements you might not have the name. You might not have the name, like what is this? Well, this is oxygen. Okay, so you'll need to do that as you go along in the worksheet. But this one's nicely filled out. You had to put in the atomic symbol, but there you go. But for example, what is the atomic number? Well, the atomic number is the number of protons, and that's 30. So we're going to put 30 in here. Okay, the atomic mass, 65.39. What are the number of protons? Well, the number of protons is equal to the atomic number. The number of protons is equal to the atomic number. So we go back down again. We know the atomic number is 30, so we also know that there are 30 protons. We're assuming everything's stable, and like we said, is equal to the atomic number in a stable atom. So we're going to jump down to electrons, and we're going to fill that bad boy in right there. So to this point, really nothing hard has happened other than knowing the definition. Now we have to do a little bit of math. To figure out neutrons, you have to look at the atomic mass and the atomic number. Remember, the mass is both protons and neutrons added together. So if the question was, X equals, or if we know the total is 65 and we know 30 of them are protons, then how many are left? Okay, so basically the answer is 35. And that's just simple algebra. Some of you are saying, well, wait a minute, isn't it 35.39? Isn't it 35.39? And you'd be kind of right, except remember, we have to round this number, okay? Because we can't have a part of a neutron. Neutrons and protons are only whole. There's no 0.39. So you can either do the math and round it here at the end, or you look up here and you take this number and you round this number to 65 and then do the math like I did down here. Okay? Hopefully this helps you as an example. If you have more questions, make sure you reach on out. Otherwise, have a great day.